Tips that can help you live with tinnitus. Tinnitus symptoms can have a significant effect on a person's life. The ringing in your ears can prevent you from focusing when performing tasks that require concentration, and prevent you from getting adequate sleep. Fortunately, there are many ways to treat tinnitus. Keep watching for a handful of useful tips and tricks from people who have stood in your shoes before. If you suffer from tinnitus, it is important that you not panic. When people constantly hear ringing in their ears, they just assume that there is something wrong with them. However, tinnitus is not only a condition that is usually temporary, but it is also a condition that is not serious. Talk about your tinnitus to your family, friends, and coworkers. Let them know what environments are especially hard for you or if there are certain foods that trigger an attack. Most people are willing to help if they know what you need. Talking about tinnitus also helps it to be less of a burden. To help you cope with tinnitus, you should avoid stressful situations. Long periods of stress will make the tinnitus noises much louder than they would be if you are in a relaxed state. So to help manage your tinnitus and not make it worse, you should try and live your life with the least amount of stress. Do you have a ringing, hissing, roaring or buzzing sound in your ears that seems to beat in time with your heart? You could possibly be suffering from a condition known as pulsatile tinnitus. Seek advice from your doctor to determine if you are suffering from this condition. Some things that can cause pulsatile tinnitus are excessive earwax, exposure to loud noises, and the stiffening of the bones in the inner ears. By determining the cause for your tinnitus, your physician may be able to help relieve it. You should be able to find something efficient to get rid of your tinnitus. If your tinnitus symptoms don't improve with treatment or get better over time, consider seeing a physician to determine any underlying conditions that may be responsible for the constant ringing. So try them out and make a difference for yourself. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.